Hello everyone, my name is Dara and now I'm teaching you how to play song Jingle Bells on ukulele. It's very popular and easy Christmas song. You need four chords really, only four chords and easy strum. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
The first chord is G, four finger, a ring finger. We are putting on the first and fourth string on the second flat and the second string on the third flat. Good. The second chord is C. This chord is very easy. We are putting ring finger on the first string on the third flat. Next chord is A7. We are put four finger on the third string on the first flat. And last chord is D. We are putting on the third and second string on the second flat. Good. G, C, A7 and D. And now a string. We're playing down, down, up. Slowly. Down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. This string we are playing on G 4 times. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And now the chords once. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And now all together. Jingle bells, jingles all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride this one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride this one-horse open sleigh. Good! I hope that this video helped you to learn to play Christmas song on ukulele. You are cool! Thank you for watching. Bye!